G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Club. Well, this week I'm going to show you how to make a 2-minute microwave egg bake. I'm already salivating, so let's go. Let's get a bowl, crack an egg, put that in there, then add 2 tablespoons of cream. I'm using thickened cream, you can use whipping cream, pouring cream. Get some pepper, salt, cut up 4 cherry tomatoes, get some herbs, like I've got some parsley and some chives, fresh from my garden. And then chuck in some ham or bacon. I'm just putting in some bacon bits. Cut up a little bit of onion. I'm using red onion or Spanish onion. You can use brown, doesn't really matter. Just mix this together. Now just pop this in the microwave for about 45 seconds, take it out, sniff it, put it back in for another 45 seconds on high. Alrighty, that is done. Oh, so yummy. Such a really yummy, quick little snack that'll really fill you up, give you lots of goodness. Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah. Arr! Felt like a pirate then. It must be really good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.